While on the Slides tab, the Pointer tool is also an available feature. This points to the items on your slides. To activate it, simply click the Options button located underneath the slide and select Show Pointer. A red arrow will appear, and the Show Pointer button will now change to say Hide Pointer. Simply click anywhere on the slide and the pointer will move to that place. Once finished, using the Pointer tool, click on Hide Pointer. Another fabulous feature of the Slides tabs are the whiteboard and annotation tools. They can be used on a whiteboard slide over a PowerPoint slide. Once enabled, they are located to the right of the slide. The whiteboard allows for the presenter or the attendees to use the annotation tools on the current slide or the blank slide. This is great for explaining things and highlighting things. To enable the whiteboard, underneath the main slide you will see the Show Whiteboard button. Click on this button to enable the whiteboard. Use the annotation tools to collaborate. The Show Whiteboard button will become the Hide Whiteboard button while using the whiteboard is available. Click the Hide Whiteboard button when you have finished using the whiteboard features, and it will go away. Use the various tools, text, stamp, freehand, line, clear whiteboard, etc. to meet the specific needs of your meeting. As you know, this tool is especially useful with instructions and teaching situations. It's great for visual questions and answers from all your viewers. The visual experience always enhances communication. The whiteboard can remember all the markings for each slide you've made. So if you make some annotations on slide 5, and then you go to slide 6 and make some more annotations, when you return to slide 5, your annotations that you had made earlier will still be there. To enable the audience to use the whiteboard, click on the Presentation menu, Enable Audience Whiteboard. When they have access to use the whiteboard, they can also add or remove a whiteboard slide at any time. Audience members can also clear the whiteboard. This is where you would want to give someone control to explain or repurpose what you've just shown on the slide. To disable the audience, use the whiteboard. Click on the Presentation menu, Disable Audience Whiteboard, and by disabling this feature, the audience will be gone. Video Seminar Live allows you to upload additional content during your presentation. You may upload additional PowerPoint, PPT files, presentations, or JPEG files, Flash video files, FLV, or Flash animations, SWF, at any time while you're on the Slides tab. To do so, click on the Load Content button. This is in the Options button at the bottom of the slides. Simply click the Browse button and select a file from your computer's hard drive, and once the upload is complete, your content will load inside the slide tabs. Remember, 20 megabyte maximum size for each file. Uploaded content can be the following formats: PowerPoint, PPT format. Now, PowerPoint 2007 files must be saved as PPT, not PPTX. JPG files, FLV, Flash video, 300 kbp max is recommended. SWF, SWF, well, that's a tongue twister. Flash animations, preferably one slide per frame. Note, uploaded files will be deleted at the end of the session. To learn more about uploading FLV, SWF files, we recommend you take a look at the presenter manual located in the Help menu. Screen sharing is the next tab. Share your entire computer screen with your audience. Click the Start button, and your audience is now watching you work from your own computer. They see everything you see. Now that's true collaboration. What a great tool for eliminating expensive travel and saving time. This will truly simplify your life. When you start the presenter control application and the plugin has already been properly installed, you will see the screen sharing icon on your system tray in the lower right corner of your screen next to the system clock. For best performance, we highly recommend the following. 1. Make sure you are on a PC and close all the other programs that you do not need. 2. Ensure you are using Internet Explorer 6.0 or newer and not Firefox or some other browser. 3. Go at a medium pace. Given the varying types of internet connections, if you go too fast, someone on a slowed connection might miss some frames. 4. The screen sharing component must be installed prior to your presentation. It is available for installation via the account manager. You will only see the start button if the plugin is correctly installed. 5. Set your screen resolution to 800 by 600 or 1024 by 768 maximum. This will make it easier for your audience to view your entire screen, as well as making the screen share required less bandwidth. 6. Again, close any applications that do not need to be there for screen sharing. This will speed up your computer's performance. A helpful hint for your audience. A useful feature of the presentation content module is the ability to make it take up the full screen of your web conference so that your audience members focus on your content. To make the presentation content module go full screen, click on the Maximize Viewing Area button. This is located at the top right corner of the presentation content module. As a speaker, you can force the screen to be maximized for your audience by clicking the Maximize button. And then, by going to the presentation menu, lock Screen Display. This will set your audience's content area to occupy the entire screen. You can control this. Now, the Polling tab. This tool is excellent for getting to know your audience. Create interactive polls to learn as much as you can about the audience. Make as many as you would like and run them at any time. You can preset this up, or you can do it on the fly right now. You can display the results to the entire audience or keep them private for your eyes only. Once you've clicked the Poll tab, you see a list of all the poll questions that are stored in the system. When you click on the poll question, the topic and answers are displayed on the right side. This gives you the option of editing the poll or conducting the poll. Click on the Add New Poll button to create a new poll instantly. This will create a new entry called New Poll in the poll list. Now simply edit the topic and answers on the right and click Save Changes. To remove an answer, simply leave the space blank. Save changes. Once you've entered the question and all possible answers, simply click the Update button. The poll is now ready to begin voting. Poll Display option. You can select how you want the results to be displayed to your audience. The options are Show Results as Totals. This will display the number of votes and percentage of the total votes that an option has received. Show Results as Percentage. This option will only display the percentage of total votes that an option has received. It will not show the number of votes. Show Results only to presenters. This option will not show the voting results to your audience, but only the presenters. Removing polls. Polls can be removed from the system using the Manage Polls feature in the Account Manager. After the polls have been entered, click the Begin Voting button to allow your attendees to respond. As attendees respond, you will see the breakdown of the responses in real time. The screen will change to show a real-time tally of the votes. To end voting, simply click the Close Voting button. The results will be restored or stored in the system database and can be viewed from the Account Manager. Many companies want to know instant feedback from their people. This polling feature allows you to gather private and useful information real time.